Hey guys, this is Zen0 here. Welcome to my gaming channel. Today we'll be playing some Sub-Zero with the third variation, Avalanche.
Round 1, fight!
Alright, the mix-ups are real. Alright, swear to god, this guy only knows one move. Easy, this should finish him off with a crushing blow next. Oh man. Oh god, is he gonna do it? No, 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 no! Oh yeah, you can handle all this mix-up, can't ya? Haha. Okay, since he likes to grab so much, I'm just gonna keep grabbing him.
Another one.
Thank god that's over. Well, let's have a mercy match real quick.
Friendship. Sub-Zero wins.
Raiden destroyed my revenue.
Why are you gay?
He and I shall have words.
Round 1, fight!
Okay, does this guy only knows how to jump and then down two?
Oh my god!
Yeah, boy.
Are you delusional? Do you suffer from a mental illness?
Fight!
Would you please stop jumping around and just kill you already? Oh my goodness, thank god.
Fight!
Are you challenging me?
Round one, fight.
Oh gosh, I swear his up button must be spoiled so he keeps jumping around.
Yeah, boy.
Fight.
Alright, the only way to counter these guys jumping is to back two.
Finish him.
Oh, thank goodness that's over. Oh well guys, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.